Hey my people, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from a company that I discovered on my Instagram page. The name of the company is called Godess Acrylics, and she is so sweet. So I've been waiting for this package. It has the cutest acrylic in here. Just wait till you guys see it. But I got a little card in here. Isn't that so sweet? And with a little sticker. I love it. And the packaging and everything is very, very cute. And then, look, as I said, the packaging, look at this. This thing is packed tight. No spillage or anything like that. And then look at the label. It's very cute. Rockin' Christmas. Like I said, this is a cute Christmas acrylic. When I open it, you can't really see how cool it is. It has a lot of cool little shapes in it, and clear acrylic. So we'll go ahead and lay down paper towel and get the swatch in this bad boy so you guys can see all the pretty stuff in there. Look at that. Look at those Christmas trees, y'all. That is so cute. And then we have the sparkles behind it, the red and blue, and the little dots. And, you know, even if you stack the dots up right, they will look like kind of like little snowmen. But, you know, I didn't do that. I was just spreading them out. And the stars, too. How can I forget about those stars? Adorable. So we're going to, I got those all laid down, and I wanted to cover it with some clear acrylic, then encapsulate it so you can really see how pretty it is. So I went off camera and filed it down after we got it all encapsulated. And here's the best part. Oh, the top coat, y'all. It kills me. It's so cute. It just reveals everything. Look at that. It's gorgeous. This is the most gratifying part of doing nails is that top coat, y'all. Check it out. And look at that. All the Christmas trees, the glitter, the stars. Great. And now the real fun begins. Well, this was fun, but I guess we move on to the super fun. We get to do a little set to see what we can lay down with this new acrylic. So we got our nails out. We got our tips on. So I'm starting with putting down some nude, and y'all, I was just really flying by the seat of my pants. I wasn't really sure what I was going to do, so I put down nude on, I believe it was 3 tips. I knew that I wanted to have 2 tips that were like a solid color, so I put down nude on half just to try to cover up the little blue piece. And because I was thinking that for some of the acrylic that I wanted it to be a little sparse so you could see the Christmas trees and the stars. So you see me moving on to the total nail that I wanted to do a total one color. This is a color I got from Notpolish. I will leave the link in the description and the name of what the color is, but it's really pretty. And I wanted to use that to do a whole nail. All right, we set that bad boy aside, and now I'm going to do the red for just the half of the nail. because I want to ombre in with the Christmas color, the Godess Acrylic. I wanted to go ahead and ombre that into this red. So I think that'll be cute. Alright, we set that aside. Now we start filling in the nails that I did the acrylic nude on. I want this one to be a little more sparse, like I said, so you can see the Christmas trees and the stars. And that's why I put on the base on this one. Or at least that's what I was thinking. This could swerve any direction at any moment because I was just trying to really go with the flow and whatever was moving me. So I went ahead and applied that. Sorry, my dog, his arch nemesis, the mailman, has shown up. Switching out, and I'm going to do this one a little more concentrated because I think I'm going to do stripes on this one. Maybe like candy stripes, the little white stripes make it look like candy. I think that'll be really pretty over this pattern. Or I might do the gift with a bow. I don't know. The video will reveal all. We'll see. Okay, you see me here. I'm just placing the little individual pieces for the Christmas tree and so on. Oh no, I think this is the one I do more concentrated, because this is the one that I'm going to do the stripes, the little white candy stripes on. Don't know what I'm talking about? You'll see. Or do I know what I'm talking about? I guess we all will see, right? But I love the dimensions like that you can get with this acrylic. You can see the little pieces peeking out from underneath the Christmas trees, the stars, the dots. I like the levels that it gives you. And me, I'm not a 3-ball method girl. I use as much as I need. You know, I'm still learning, so I sped up this video because I still work a little slow, but you know, practice makes perfect, and we're working on increasing that speed. And this is the ombre. I thought this would be so cute, fading down into the red and bring out those little red stars and make them pop, and add just a few Christmas trees and spread that down a little bit. And I know it looks kind of lumpy right now, but we will encapsulate it, and then my favorite, less favorite part of filing, and we'll get them all shaped. And there they go. A little sideways and crooked. I'm switching it around because I didn't want the reds to be just next to each other. And there we go, straight. Now we get to encapsulating. I encapsulated these with the Young Nails Clear Speed Dry so that it would dry quickly. I remember at first I was so scared to use the speed dry because I needed, time to manipulate it, but it's not that bad. I actually do like the speed dry, so it dries quick, so you can get the file in, and then, if you want to do something on top of it. So, I was just beginner scared until I tried it, and I liked it. I did show me encapsulating all of them because it's the same process over and over again. So we encapsulated, I filed them down, which took forever. And now I'm just putting on the top coat. The top coat I used was Notpolish Acrylic, which I am in love with right now. And I just put that on each nail, and again, I just love the top coat. I could just watch top coat videos. Do they make those? I don't know. That might be kind of weird, but I'm into it, so whatever. But we top coat, so then I could put the stuff on top. Now, this one I didn't cure yet because I wanted to put the snowflakes in the top coat to make them stick. And you see that first one was folded up real weird, so I had to take that off and then put on some different little snowflakes. Now we can dry it because the rest I want it to be completely cured. So here we're going to do our candy stripes. I just thought that would look so cute over this acrylic. And I like to do the thin and the thick stripes. And for this, I'm using a Young Nails art gel, I believe it's called. I'll put the link in the description. But this color was called Fizz. It's just white, but it's just a really nice art gel to me. I really like it. Oh, and I'm using these nail art brushes I got from Madam Glam. Y'all, I was going through nail art brushes because I really didn't like any of them, but I ordered some from Madam Glam, and I love these. I ordered 3 different ones. It was 3 different sizes, and they work so great. So I'll put that link down in the description, too, for all of the nail art brushes that I bought from Madam Glam. It was part of my Christmas shopping, or after Thanksgiving Christmas shopping, where everything was on sale, and I went sale nuts, like all my nail sisters, I'm sure y'all did. And brothers too. Let's not be sexist, because there are some guys that turn out some nails. So let me correct that to my nail people. So we got that done, and I wanted to put some little bling on there, or just some sparkle actually. So I don't dry it. I don't cure it. And I put on this little diamond dust from, I think it's, I don't remember the name right now. I'll put it in the description with the rest, y'all. Oh, it's Glitties. It's Glitties Diamond Dust, I believe it's called. Like I said, I put the description. I got it off Amazon. And here we got the present nail. We're going to do present lines down and across. And y'all, I am horrible with having lines just go straight. Like, for some reason, when I draw lines, they always veer off to the right. So maybe because I'm right-handed. So I always have to kind of make guiding dots to stay straight. And then sometimes I'm off with that, like I am with this one. So I'll just clean that up later. And cover that in the glitties again. Cure it. And then I'm going to dust off the other one. And all you got to do is just take a duster to it, dust it off, and then it will give you a cute nail. Same with that one. Go and just slap on a little nail glue and slam on our bow. And here's the finished product. Thank you guys for watching. Go check out Godess Acrylic and Dip Powder. I'll put the link in the description. And as always, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.